It's me, Hasnain, from class 8A. Today my speech is about direct and indirect speech. First of all, I want to give the introduction of the direct and indirect. Direct speech means the actual words of the speaker is not the direct speech. Actual means the real and the original words of the speaker is called the direct. And second one is that indirect. When the actual words of the speaker are converted in our own words, which means that I am talking that he or she is converting my words to someone else, and it's called indirect speech. There are basic rules in the direct and indirect speech. But I want to discuss three major rules. The first rule is that changing the pronoun. Subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, adjective pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun. Subjective means the doer of an action, objective means receiver of an action, and that possessive adjective means that ownership. Possessive adjective means ownership. Possessive pronoun means that belonging, and the last one, when the subject is reflect to the object, is called reflexive pronoun. It means I, me, my, myself. We, us, ourself. You, yourself. Each, she, they are also like that same. Only they will change in the reflexive pronoun. They are SCL or SCLF. Self will come, then there we will come. That's the difference in they. And the second rule is that changing the tense. All tense will change with the specific tenses without past perfect and past perfect continuous, because they are not changeable in the direct and indirect speech. And the third rule, changing the section was like these will change into these will change into this will change into these, today will change into that day, tomorrow will change into coming day, yesterday will change into previous day, etc. After that, reporting and reported speech. A statement, the reporting speech. A statement that's written without inverted comma, it's called reporting speech. Like he said, he said, they told, it's called the reporting speech. And the reported speech. The actual word and the statement that's written inside the inverted comma, it's called reported speech. It's called reported speech. Sun formula: subject, object, no change. First person of reported speech will change according to the subject of reporting speech, and the second person of reported speech will change according to the object of reporting speech. Third person will not change. Now many of us get confusion where is the first and second and third person. First person is I and we, and second person is only you. Second person is a symbol, and the last is he, she, it, they. They are the third person. Like I will make a sentence of the subjective. The sun formula. There are the sentences of sun formula. Like first subjective. He said he will enjoy the. He said he will enjoy the party. He said that he would enjoy the party. Will change into would. Like in the changing the second word that I have told you. And the objective. She said to her, she talked a lot. She said to her, she talked a lot. Sun formula. The first one is subject. He said, I will enjoy the party. And the indirect speech, he said that he would enjoy the party. Present will change into past. We will change into would. And the second one, object. She said to her, she talked a lot. She said to her, she talked a lot. Present will change into past. And the last one, no change. He said he is very active. He said that he was very active. Now this was my lecture. Thank you for